Are you an aspiring entrepreneur that is going to start a new business? Have you thought about your branding? Welcome to Rich Liberation, where we help you turn your dreams into your reality. Ultimately, we help you create financial freedom so that you can live your best life. In today's video, I'm going to teach you the branding process in 8 simple steps. Branding is the process that aligns the opinions that people hold about your brand with the sets of thoughts and values that you want them to believe and trust. As you develop your brand, follow these steps and do it in this order. Make notes as you consider these 8 branding steps, and think about how can you apply these steps to your brand. Number 1, determine what you're branding and whether your brand will be your one and only, or if it'll be one of several brands in your organization. Number 2, research everything there is to know about your product and or service and the market in which it will compete. Number 3, position your brand by defining what makes it unique and how it will slot into an available space in the marketplace and in your customers' minds. Number 4, define your brand by stating what it stands for, what unique benefits it provides, what value it promises to deliver, and the image that it will permeate everything from your marketing communications to your product design, business character, and consumer experience. Number 5, develop your brand identity. Include your brand name, logo, tagline, and other brand signature elements. Number 6, launch your brand internally first and then by announcing it via publicity, social media advertising, promotions, and presentations. Number 7, manage your brand by understanding and leveraging your brand's value, by protecting your brand through usage rules and legal rights, and by delivering an unfailingly consistent and positive brand experience that creates allegiance among those who represent, choose, and remain loyal to you and your brand. And finally, we have number 8 in this simple process. Monitor, evaluate, and update your brand to keep it relevant and credible in light of changes to your business, your customers, or your marketplace. Well, folks, there you have it. Those are the 8 simple steps that you need to implement in order to create an amazing brand. Think about the global brands that you know and love. Brands like Nike, Coca-Cola, and Microsoft, just to name a few. All right, well, we're gonna wrap it up there. I hope you found value in this video. If you like making money while you're asleep, please do me a favor and smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming videos. Of course, clicking that bell will ensure that you're always notified. Share this video with people you love and care about. And until next time, stay rich, stay liberated.